14-year-old mother and child who were reported missing now back home. Licensed firearm holder killed in Old Harbor identified. Couple arrested for murder in St. James. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The 14-year-old mother and her baby who were reported missing have returned home. An Ananda alert was first sent out for the female identified as Jamaica Brown and her 3-month-old daughter, Devine Brown, of Brixton Hill District, Mako Clarendon on Thursday, July 11. Reports from the Mako police are that at about 9 a.m., Kamika was last seen at home leaving for school with her baby. Police in a follow-up release stated that the mother has returned home and both are said to be in good health. The police in St. Catherine have now identified the licensed firearm holder who was shot dead at a cockfight in bushes in Old Harbor on Sunday. He is 56-year-old Devon Gallimore of Davis District in Old Harbor and New Bowen in Clarendon. The police stated that his weapon has still not been located. It is reported that Gallimore was at the event when he received a phone call and moved away from the crowd. Explosions were subsequently heard. Checks revealed that he was shot in the head and was seen lying on his back. The Old Harbor police are investigating the matter. The St. James police have arrested a man and his girlfriend for the murder of a man in the parish on Sunday night. The body of the victim was found with the head bashed in near the UDC football field about 11:30 p.m. It is alleged that the victim had been engaging in sexual intercourse with the couple when he was killed. The woman and her boyfriend were chased and held by the police after they were seen running from the location. Investigators say the location where the body was discovered is a heavily vegetated area and commonly used by homeless people for dwelling and for people involved in prostitution as a place for sexual activity. 2 large stones believed to have been used to commit the violent act were found at the scene. The suspects are being questioned.